Alright, so now they're bringing the big exhaust capture and safety in case anything drops between the wheel and the rollers. And this will be the first time that rear wheel is spun in anger. And there's dyno chart over there on the far right. And this test booth is very well soundproof because I can barely hear the engine running through it. So he's using the clutch for the shifts.
At the moment, yes.
So he does it one time using the clutch and then he does it again with the auto shift?
He should run the test also for the quick shifter, so without using the clutch lever.
Got it, okay. And it looks to me like the test graph over there, it starts off sort of running it in with a slower profile, and then as the lower bar and the upper bar get further apart, he's running it higher into the RPM and higher into the gears. Yeah, so this is what we refer to as fast break-in, fast bike. Whatever you've been reading on internet forums, throw it away. And honestly, this is how we do race engines too. The race engine gets about 100 yards and then it goes to redline. So with modern machining and Nicosil cylinders and top quality lubricants and all that, we don't really bet in anything anymore.
See, now he's using the quick shifter.
Yeah, all right, so now he's running through the test pattern again. The auto blip. Bravo. Is that's the end of that? Oh, and it also, you'll notice right there, right now, he's unplugging the ODB2 connector. So while he was running those tests, he had an ODB2 connector plugged in so that the test computer could also read all the signals coming off the bike. That's what that was.
Okay.
Tutto bene?
And then we have this area, which is the dressing area. So they complete the bike. The bike passed the test, everything is fine. So they add all the missing components, like for example, fairings or the seats or any detail that was previously missing, because as I was explaining, if there's anything that is not compliant or is not working properly, the bike needs to go back on the line for verifications. So that's why they do not complete in the previous areas. And this is let's say a very quiet area. They are very focused, they check all the details, they check that everything is correctly in place.
Plastics. Something that passes for a passenger seat. All the seats.
That's
Oh, look at the sunlight on that one. Come on, you planted that. Look at that. You're like, hey, roll one of the red ones out in the sunbeam just as it comes out.
That was on purpose, yeah.
Oh, spectacular. Che bella. All right.
Okay, and then once everything's done, bike completed, in the dressing area, it gets moved over here.
What's going on back, like sub-assemblies for the brakes and stuff like that?
Yeah, we have some pre-assembly area here as well. Also,
A little progress, Sam.
if you want to have a look.
Sure. Wait. Let me. We're gonna come back through here though.
We are coming back in the side
Okay.
here. Yeah.
Because that's like
Yes.
someone's very lucky. They don't know it yet, but somebody is very lucky to be getting that motorbike right there.
Also, we have a dedicated area for like courses. For example, if we launch a new models, obviously we have like new specs and details, and we need to train our staff for this and explain what's different, how to make it, how to do it, and why. So we have these.
So they're assembling the handlebars with controls and switches and cables back over here so that they can take them over to the assembly line and just drop them on. Oh my God. So what am I looking at here?
So, as I was telling this, we have this extra line, for example.
Oh, for like the special race kit ones.
Yes, like if we prepare like something special or a one-off, or maybe, for example, like we need to train the staff on new vehicles, so it's a kind of a courses line, let's say.
Got it. Okay, so this is the special assembly line for like special edition models, and they also use it for training staff on new models. And I don't know if you can catch it, but down there at the very end are a bunch of boxes marked SC. So those are the special exhausts?
SC project there.
Yeah, so that's the SC project exhausts. But they're probably Euro 5 compliant, so they're no fun.
You definitely don't like Euro 5s.
Definitely don't like Euro 5. What's the FAR?
It's
Don't know.
it should be like I think like side mirrors.
Oh, okay.
Should be one of our suppliers, but definitely Andrea can tell you more about that.
Excellent.
And this is the final area where we stock all the bikes that are actually ready for shipment. So there's one last check before they start their journey to the customer. Ciao, ciao.
So this is the final.
Yes, this is the final check. Basically, they check that the vehicle is compliant with the destination market. So, like, if it respects all the specs for, let's say, Japanese market or Korean market or US market, for example.
And look at the light structure that they set up to brightly make sure that everything is lit very, very well. Are those extra lights in the little rows, or are
Yes.
those are extra lights?
Extra lights as well, yeah.
It's funny because like watching them do the assembly on the lift with the bodywork or even rolling around here, I think my first day, I would be like terrified of dropping a bike. You know what I mean, Melissa? Just that like,
Oh, yeah.
I know I'm gonna drop one.
Do
Melissa
like
was
a Pee Wee Herman and just take them
Yeah.
all out.
Melissa was a professional mechanic for a long time, so she
wow.
had to roll around customer bikes that were really big, and she's pretty small, and yeah. But I was always like, oh. All right.
Oh, with that feeling like, oh my god, oh my god.
Yeah, exactly. And so this building is part of the original airplane factory?
Yes, yes. The hangar as well. So the other building where we have all the offices over there, that was the old hangar, and there was a ramp that went into the lake because they used to build seaplanes over here. So originally it was a air Macchi factory, and they decided to get into the motorcycle business and started a partnership with Harley-Davidson. And then the Castiglioni family took over, started the business with Cagiva, and then eventually the Sardarov family arrived to save the company in 2017, if I'm not wrong. Yep. And I think in 2018, Timur became our CEO. And here we are now.
And then
trying to
2020, you came on board.
Yes.
Yes. So it should all be good now. Va bene.
Okay.
Can we see one go into a crate? Where are they crating?
Let's see, he's over here. Ciao Marco.
All right. And this is where the stork takes the baby.
Exactly, they put them in these cases.
We're in the time of COVID right now, so it will go and sit on a container in a port for 6 months while everyone calls and says, "Where's my bike?"
Hopefully not that much.
There's the fine quality control for doing sample. There it goes. So they're shipped without the wheels on?
It depends. Depends on the model. Depends on the destination as well.
There it is, all packed up.
I hope my English wasn't too bad.
Your English is great.
Thank you.
Here, hold this right there. And point it at us. Wait, point it at us with this motorcycle. And now these are special Italian shoes that I'm wearing. These are very stylish.
Like Armani, think something like that.
Yes. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
It was great.
It was very nice to meet you.
It was very nice to meet you.